Johnny Keel teaches 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students at Truman Elementary School in Norman, Oklahoma. A self-described city girl, Keel did not grow up with much exposure to agriculture, yet every day she integrates agricultural activities into her lessons. Keel says that her considerable knowledge of the agriculture industry comes through years of teaching it, not doing it. Keel believes that teaching agriculture in elementary school introduces students to basic scientific procedures while developing a respect for the earth, sustainability, and an understanding of limited resources. In her classroom, students may be found working a handheld cotton gin, churning butter, or grinding wheat seed into flour to make pasta. Her 3rd graders become junior engineers by learning about technological advancements in farm equipment and then practice designing and building their own farm equipment with Legos. Older students continue this combined STEM through agriculture education by learning the elements of animal and plant production and then programming robots to gather eggs, move hay, or round up cattle. Through these lessons, Keel teaches her students about nutrition and how food gets from farm to table, how crops adapt to their environment, and how byproducts such as oil or fuel are made from corn and other crops. Concerned with research showing that most girls' interest in STEM begins to decline as early as 4th grade, Keel created GLAMS, Girls Learning Agriculture, Math, and Science, a program for 5th grade female students that fosters interest in agriculture and STEM. GLAMS members have participated in programs such as Tomatosphere, planting and gathering data from seeds that have been in space, and the American Farm Bureau Foundation Pollination Project. Female mentors from STEM fields regularly present as guest speakers to the group, and the students have Skyped from an all-girl group in Italy to celebrate the International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Keel's impact with ag literacy is felt well beyond her own classroom. She's helped other educators begin GLAMS groups at nearby schools and hopes more will follow across the state. An avid grant writer, as evidenced by the many ag literacy funds awarded for her own classroom, Keel regularly assists other teachers in securing funds for agricultural lessons in their own classrooms. She also organizes 2 annual events for her school, Ag Day and STEM Day. Available to all students and teachers at Truman Elementary, Ag Day participants learn from beekeepers, Native American storytellers, and a state historian teaching the history of agricultural tools and interact with animals such as dairy cattle and alpacas. Strawberry DNA extraction, planting with a horticultural specialist, and fertilization study with a chemist are among the students' STEM Day rotations. From her work in her own classroom and in assisting other teachers, it's easy to see Keel's passion in helping students develop their own ag story. She wishes to see every student gain an understanding of agriculture, regardless of their career goals, gender, or where they live. Johnny Keel, 2019 National Excellence in Teaching About Agriculture Award recipient.